everyone from Orlando Airport, where soon we'll be heading up to New York with Delta. After checking in and going through security in the main building, this train takes us out to our gate. While the terminal here is showing its age a bit, it's still a comfortable enough place for a short wait. And here's the 6-year-old A321 taking us up to LaGuardia. Now that the sun's starting to rise, let's get on board. .30A is my seat for our flight up the east coast. Now that we're on our way, let's check out the entertainment. For a 2-hour flight, it's great to have seatback screens. And as is common for US carriers, they have a wide selection of choices, including live TV. They also have some information on our plane, which is cool. And the snack on Buy on Board menu is here too. These were the headphones which were given out. The route map is also quite interactive. Now we'll have a look around our economy seat. Below the screen are audio and USB ports. The tray table is large and adjustable. and the seat pocket is plenty big enough. There's also more power below the seats in front, and for someone over 6 foot, the legroom isn't bad either. And the seats also recline a reasonable amount too. Making them quite comfortable along with the adjustable headrest. We were offered some free snacks and drinks, along with the option to purchase some more substantial food if we wanted to. Before we land, let's check out the toilets. For economy, there was one toilet mid-cabin. And here's the inside of one of the 2 toilets at the rear of the plane. After a bit of a wait for a gate, we made it inside one of the newly renovated terminals here at LaGuardia. Thanks Delta for taking us up to New York. The seats are actually quite comfortable, and it's always great to have screens on short-haul narrow-body planes. Plus the snacks we got were more than enough for this morning flight, making it overall a really good experience.